Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. The topic that we will be doing today is set notation and Venn diagram. These are easy questions. In the first question, we have been given the universal set. In universal set, you have all the elements. Then we have set A, which consists of even numbers, and then we have set B, which has 21, 24, 27, 30. Now it says list the member of the set A intersection B. A intersection B basically means what is common between A and B. So in A we have the elements 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, and in B we have 21, 24, 27 and 30. Alright, so which elements are common? If you look at it, we have 24 as common and we have 30 as common. So the answer for A intersection B would only be 24, 30. The next question says find a complement. Whenever you have this thing, it means complement. Complement means that you will write all the elements excluding A, without A. So if I write the universal set, in universal set I have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now the questions in element A, in set A I have 22, so I will remove 22. I have 24, I will remove 24, I will remove 26, I will remove 28 and I will remove 30. So what are the elements that are remaining now? 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29. So this is the answer for A complement. All the elements excluding A, without A. Now moving on to the next question, it says using set notation find an expression for C in terms of A and B. So first let me write down A for you. A is 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Let me write it down. So now I have written the sets of A and B, and elements of C are 23, 25 and 29. Alright. So now it says using set notation find an expression for C in terms of A and B. So for example, if I do A union B, first of all I know that these elements are not in A and they are not even in B. So if I do A union B, it means A union B means that I am writing the elements of A and B both combined, which is 21, 22, 24, 26, 27, 28 and 30. And now if I do complement of this, alright, so how many sets were there in the universal set? 21, 22, so it means 21, 22. In the universal set I still have 23, okay, 24, then I still have 25 in the universal set, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 30, and I still have 29 in the universal set. It means that C is actually A union B but complement. So this is our answer for C in terms of A and B. Moving on to question number 2. In question number 2A, we have the universal set letters of the alphabet. Alright, A, B, C, D letters, alright. So we have A, B, C, D, E. So now it says list the members of the set B union I. Alright, B union I. Let me write, in order to do this question, first write A, B, C, D, all of them in a straight line. So this is the universal set. So if you look, we have B, so I will write B first. Then A, B, C, D. So let me write R as well. B, R, I have written. Then we have A, I have written A. Then we have Z, I have written Z. Then we have I have written I. Then we have E, I have written E. Then we have N, I have written N. Then we have D, I have written D, and then we have L. Alright, if you want, you can write this in alphabetical order, but the only thing we need to make sure is that we do not repeat any number. Alright. Now for the next question, it says B intersection I complement. So look guys, I complement, first of all, so it means basically you will remove all these letters in Ireland and you will write rest of the letters, alright, which are, you will not write A, you will write B, C, you will not write D, you will not write E, you will write F, G, H, you will not write I, J. But instead of doing this, it says B intersection I complement. Alright, B intersection I complement means now that just remove the common right now. What are the common ones? I is common, remove I. R is common, remove R. Alright.
Common remove
We will
A.
remove A as well. Alright. And now we will remove N, D, E as well. So only ones that are remaining in B is B and Z. So B intersection I complement is only B and Z, because B and Z is part of I complement and B and Z is also part of B. B, R, A, Z, I, L. So it means the only two common are B and Z. So our answer for B intersection I complement is B comma Z. Let's move on to the next question now. In question 2b, we have K, Kenya. Cody writes down the statement that B intersection K is not equal. Cody's statement is wrong. Explain why. Look, because in B, which is Brazil, B, R, A, Z, I, L. Alright. And K, which is Kenya, K, E, N, Y, A. Both have common A, which means B intersection K is actually A. So that's why this statement is wrong. Now moving on to our next question. It says list all the members of the set B union G. Okay, let's write B. It's B L U E. Union G. It's G R E Y. So the union would be B union G would be B L U B L U E G Y. E G Y. So this will be our answer. And one thing I missed is R. Sorry, as you can see there is R as well. So I'll just write R over here. Alright. So this is our answer for part 1. Now it says W intersection G complement. So look, you will write all the letters that are not in G, which means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You will sorry, my bad, you will not write E. Okay, let me write it again for you guys. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. You will not also write R because it's already in gray. R, S, T, U, V, W, X. We will not write Y and we will just write Z. So it says this is G complement. So what is common in W and G complement? Look, we have W in both. Alright, so we will write W. We have H in both, so we will write H. We have I in both, so we will write I, and we have T in both. So W intersection G complement is only this, WHIT. Moving on to the next question, says Serena writes down the statement B intersection D intersection W is not possible. Is Serena's statement correct? You must give your answer. So I have already written all the sets of this. If you look at it, Serena says W intersection G intersection W is not possible. So first let's write W intersection G. W intersection G My bad, guys. I made a mistake. This is not Brazil. This is blue. We were doing the other question. This is blue. BLUE. So if you look, do we have anything common in blue and green? We have E. So we will write E now. And do we have anything common with blue and green with white as well? White also has E. So this means B intersection G intersection W is E. This means Serena's statement is wrong. The answer is E. So this is our for our class today. I hope you guys were able to understand the questions. This was the first part of the video. Do make sure you guys watch the second and third part as well to completely understand the topic, sets and Venn diagrams. Please do like and subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.